Hey. Hey. What's going on? I'm so fucking annoyed with today's price action. I can't even begin to describe how fucking pissed I am. So what I'm going to do is just, show you everything I did because I'm so fucking awesome. Amazing. Amazing. Let me turn on my screen. Let me turn on my fucking screen, guys. Hope you guys are having a good day. Hold on a sec. Why is that not showing yet? Anyway. All right. Who's here? What's going on in the look at this. This fucking fucking dog shit price action. This is the 15-minute chart. This is the NQ. Garbage. Look at gold though. Oh my God. Gold is up 142 points today. That's 1,420 ticks. I actually traded gold today, and it was a mistake. As in, I accidentally traded gold, and it worked out, though. I thought I was on the NQ. Anyway. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Anyway. Oh, fuck, look at this shit go. That's the daily. Let's go to the hourly. Ask the hourly. Crazy, bruh. I would love for gold to go back over 5,000, obviously. Because I may or may not be holding some gold. Anyway. So chat. Let me show you what is going on. How many people are on here? $46, yo. Who's out here? Chris Daly, iTrade, Marco, TTA, K. Soliman, Marcin, Ma Barley. Yes, sir. Trash fucking markets, TTA. Dips and Peaks, Hot Shot, NJ. Although I read it pretty well, my execution was awful today. Awful execution today. NJ, David Schneider, Oats, Hot Shot. Bro, I saw it. Bro, seriously, that shit, The numbers you posted in the Discord, super impressive, man. You should be very happy with that. I'm sure you are. Even the prop firm gains. GB, J Stores, Maximus. Hi, golf guy. Trump's talking right now. Fucking guy. Robin Trades, what's up? AJ, what's good? So let's show you. So here's the one that pissed me off the most. I'm gonna go to that account. Because I go in short here. When did I get in? I guess I go in short here. Yeah. It comes within like 5 points of hitting my take profit, which was down here at 23. 623 was my take profit. It comes so close to it. Look, it comes to 28.50. And then it fucking bounces and I add here. It comes all the way up here. I'm sweating on a fucking eval. That I'm trying to pass. This is the same thing that's happened to every other fucking select evaluation I've had with Tradeify. And then what does it do? It comes down and what do? I get shaken out. My new take profit was at 32.75. I get shaken out just fucking 10 points before it. And what happens in the next 2 or 3 candles? It fucking hits it. And then what do? I go against it. And it keeps fucking dumping. Oh, guess where it fucking dumped too? All the way down to my original take profit of 23. That's how I fucking blew this one. So then I'm fucking annoyed. And I go and fucking blow a fucking My Fund the Futures, a brand new My Fund the Futures eval. I blew that fucker. Got another one. Don't worry. We're going to fuck with that one after. And then I fucking go and grab 2 fucking Tradeify growth evals. I reset these, I think. And I fucking hit the daily loss limit on them. Because you know why? I'm not trading my funded accounts the same way I'm trading evals, obviously. But every single time I was right. Just at the wrong time. But I did get $610 on my funded growth. I've gotten 3 payouts on already. So I need 3 more days. Well, what do I need? 610. What did I get yesterday? What did I get yesterday? I got to look. 502. So I'm at 610 today. So divided by what is it? 610 what? 610.44. I got to do the math, right? The millionaire math divided by 0.35. I need to get a total of $1,744 this pay cycle to be eligible for my 4th payout. But the issue is I got to do the math on what I've gotten so far. So I did 610 and 502.40. So 1740. Let's just say 1745. We're going to round up by almost a whole fucking dollar. Minus 610. Fuck! Minus 610. Minus 502. Let's just say 502. I need $633 more over the next 3 days. And I can request $3,000. That would put me at, here's the issue though. That would put me, well, not that I give a fuck, but that would put me at 3,900 in profit. Well, a little bit more than that. $3,932 in profit, or $33 in profit. I take the 3,000, I'll be left with $900 of drawdown. But at that point, I might end up getting pushed live. And in between all of this, I was trading my fucking Lucid Live account that a payout was being processed. And, you know, it's a little bit of a risk to do that. It's a big risk because if I fuck the account up, I can unpay myself. But I did it anyway, and I'm not apologizing to anyone. I'll show you how that played out. But I did not fuck myself out of the payout. It's not in here yet, though, which is annoying. It should be in here. It got taken out of the account. It was my 5th payout. I requested, what, 742? Let me look on. I'll look on Twitter in a second. 742 is what I requested, I think. So then I did get this. This was the good trade with fucking gold by mistake. But hey, like, let me show. It's just fucking. I'm telling you, this fucking price action. I was in short in the My Fund the Futures eval I had. I think it was here. And I just missed getting filled by like 3 points. I was green in all. I was green. I was up by $1,000 in the select account that I blew. I was up in those growths, and then it went the opposite way and fucked. And I was like, oh, whatever. But my take profit got hit on this too as well. Of course, on the one I blew, of course. And now all we're doing is fucking cucking around here. But this right here is basically a 786. This was the FOMC minutes pop and then it dropped. That's what that was from. Who else is out here? Alexander, Tim Morgan. Yeah, I hear you, Hotshot. Of course, man. Of course. Golf guy Mike. I'm not green everywhere, but it's okay. Isaac, Chase, John Q, Miss K, Jinzo. Thank you. Yeah, exactly. So like, I just wanted to see if I could get a little bit more allocation. I can't pass the select account to save my fucking life. It's crazy. It's fucking crazy. I've tried so many times. And I need 3 more days. So hopefully I could, and that's the other thing I'm doing. I'm trying to pass these growths in like one fucking trade, so I can have more funded accounts before I get pushed live. But I don't know. Whatever. If that's what's going to happen, that's what's going to happen. It would have been nice to get more money from them before that happened, but fuck. It is what it is. It's frustrating, to say the least. Am I zoomed in on this fucking shit? I'll show you my Lucid live in a minute. Because I'm fucking watching this shit. There. Watch this. Well, it wicked over the 786 and then dropped. But now we're back in the same area. I don't know. This shit's annoying. Trump on China, President Xi. We will probably talk about AI. U.S.-Canada trade deal expected to cut top line U.S. tariff rates on Canadian steel, aluminum to 25%, but also will include some quota arrangements. U.S.-Canada trade deal expected to cut top line. We already did that. Oh, Canadian autos to 15%. Canada makes cars? What, Lucid? No, they don't make any fucking cars. Iran Central Bank Governor Hamadi. So far, no funds from the blocked assets have been released under the agreement. Israel to establish production lines for smart bombs. Anyway. 786. Let's see if it has. I'm in the wrong account. Almost fucking traded the wrong account. What a fucking idiot. Well, retested this 786 from before. I don't trust this shit. I don't fucking trust it. Fallacy. Newts. $80 Moderna calls. I know. Mars. Alfred. I did it live. Fuck it. Jose Carlos. Smooth. John Q. I got that song in my head now. Anthony Jr. Neo. GCTA. Nah, Mars, if it did, I think you'll be fine. You should be fine. Now it's fucking going. I guess it is holding. 13 points already. Whatever. I missed it. Nice. Oh, my God. That would have been more than enough. 20 points. You piece of shit. It retested this 786 from before. Let me get rid of this. We're still in this fucking range, though. What is this? 27. Well, it is 70 points. No, 50 points. Sorry. Can you trade individual stocks on futures props? No. You can only trade futures, Oats. Anthony Jr., you need him with. Hey, bro, just get the job done. Blackout News Network. Well, Blackout, you know why it did it? I mean, it did do something. We had this and then we had this, but nothing really. Because it was the minutes. FOMC minutes are never, it's never like the rate, the real one. The Fed rate, that shit. The minutes is whatever. There will be a reaction. You had a little pop here, and then the real move was this drop here. But that was it. JC, what up? Breakout Hunter. Wandering Woods. Send Discord link now. Okay, let me stop everything to send that link for you. I'm sending it. Did you get it yet? Did you get it? Anyway. Benny. They gave the stock the booster. Hey-o. It should be 5 days, Anthony Jr., but you got consistency rules and all that shit. Fibers allows you to trade individual stocks on future prop account. Yeah, I don't know, man. They have a list on every prop firm, like they tell you what instruments you can trade. What's your username in there? Oh, wait, never mind. You're not in there for real. Master Joel P. Umar, what up? Oh, you had to do the Google Authenticator? Yeah, you got to do that shit with them. Yeah, I haven't. Yeah, I don't know, Oates. You're probably better off not doing that, though. You're better off staying away from the fucking individual stocks. They don't move enough. They use Black Arrow? Well, that might be why. I don't know. I don't fuck with fibers. Not for any reason other than I just don't fuck with them. That fucking one candle would have been enough. Piece of shit. We're going to drop now. I hate this price action. All right, let me show you my Lucid. Oh! Oh! Damn, son! What's fucking annoying, though, is like, this was a long. I missed out on like, how many points? 15. 60 points. 63 points. I'm not trying to get all of it, but give me most of it. That was a good long. There was a crazy short. This short right here, I missed out on like 26 points. 52. Yeah, 26 points, 25 points. There was a short in here somewhere. Where the fuck was it? Oh, this short I missed out on like, let's say 51. 15 points. There was another one that was like, I like literally got nothing. And then it fucking dropped a fuck ton. There was so many of them. I kept posting them in the Discord. I was ready to fucking kill the motherfucker. But hey, $1,811 in one day. And I'm going to take it all. I mean, I can request more than that, but I'm keeping myself at 2,100. Nice little day there, huh? Not bad for a dog shit trader. I'm just printing with them. I got these four. I have what did I request yesterday? 742. And now I'm going to request 1,811. Or should I grow it more? We'll see. I don't know. I was like, this was a good spot to short, and I fucked it. Carlos. Made 4K on a select account. Great job. Full tilt. Zoom closer. Oh, legacy. It's 8 days. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't know you were on a legacy. Is Lucid better than Take Profit? No, I don't know. They're good. They're up there now. They are up there for sure. Dimitri, what up? This fucking price action is fucking frustrating as fuck. Gross. Gross. Crank, what up? Tony Gold. When will I be able to trade with Apex again, AJ? When they're finished. Holy Earth. Yo, thank you, man. Thank you, man. A milli. When I asked them, because I have to, I blew my live account, and I'm waiting to fucking, I'm waiting to do the second chance to live like I did with the Lucid. They call it, and they call it Lucid Max. I buy a Lucid Max account, pass it, and I'm back live. Apex has something called second chance to live where you have to pass an evaluation, and then you get a live account again. And I reached out, and they said, well, when we're finished onboarding all of our traders that are supposed to go live, we will start working on that. So whenever the fuck that's going to be, maybe next month, maybe October. Until then, I'll just trade wherever else I fucking trade. That's all. It is what it is. So I was thinking about going short here too, but oh well. We'll just do it. We'll do it the hard way. I don't want to do it with this shit. Whatever. That would have done it. 80. It would have been more than enough. I just need 15 points. I need $900 because they have a 30% consistency rule. The fuck is good? U.S. conducting stealth operation to transport oil through Hormuz. I don't get it. I'm so confused about this shit. Stealth operation, huh? What up, Crank? Yeah, I can see I see what you're talking about with the inverse head and shoulders. You got this shoulder here all fucked up, this head, and then this shoulder. Who the fuck knows? But yeah, pops and drops. I see it. Yeah, Dimitri, at least they're 50% off. Yeah, fallacy, yeah. Stealth. Maybe it's invisible. Maybe it's invisible. Crank. Oh, man. Oh, man. You still hit those deadlifts? Do you yeah, I'm just curious, like, if you do anything to like for your upper back to work on your posture. To strengthen the upper back to like straighten it out, but you might I mean scoliosis is different, like the spine is like wavy, right? My son, one of my boys has kyphosis. So like when he bends, the shit like you know what I mean? You've seen people who bend and their shit like folds. So I got him doing exercises to strengthen his upper back. I don't think it's the same. Barbell rolls, dead hangs. Yep. You do any face pulls? Face pulls are good too. And like something as simple as like holding a fucking broomstick, laying on your stomach, holding a broomstick, and doing like you're doing pull downs, but you're laying down in like a Superman pose. You do them this way and you do them this way. That'll help too with the broomstick. Free boot camp. Took them 2 years to unban you, and they just moved you to live at that. Yo, I had a similar experience with Lucid. Like, granted, I got a bunch of payouts from Lucid, but it's not nearly as many as some other people you see who trade with Lucid who are not even live yet, who are still trading in sim. And then I went almost 4 months without getting a fucking payout. I got one fucking payout for the first time in literally a week, less than 4 months. And I got pushed live. Elaine G, what's good? Yeah. What about like rows and well, you do rows too. Barbell rows, yep. Yeah. I knew someone. I grew up with someone who had that. They had to wear the fucking brace, and they wore the brace in in elementary school and shit. I think my brother-in-law has it too. Glad I didn't fucking listen to the chat and go short here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like this fucking price action. I just don't enjoy it. It's just. But we're going to see what we could do here. Oh, slight. Yeah. You just got to build up all the muscles in that area. The fuck is this shit? What's gold doing? Oh my God. Fucking gold. This shit just doesn't stop. Oh. Wiz, what up? Nice job. Corey. The most dangerous exercise, what, the deadlifts? Yeah, if you do the deadlifts wrong, man, you could fuck yourself up. I've done I've done bad reps on deadlifts and would feel it for fucking days after. 590. We just dropped fucking 35 fucking points. Pika Nasharika. Yeah, Dimitri, yeah. If it was always that easy, though, right? What happened? Probably have a deal with Canada. That was a nice drop, though. It retested this same level, this 786. Well, this was the 786 on the larger time frame. Herniated disc. How much did I make in sim funded with Lucid? Before fees, like 35 grand. Just under 35 grand before fees. They didn't charge fees until sometime in December. It went to 90/10 sometime in December. So I don't know. I might have made gotten 31 or 32,000 into my bank account. Yo, what's going on here? Vincenzo, I'm more proud of the work I did with the live account. I got these four. I got five. I did 809. I did 742. I requested yesterday. It got taken out of the account, but I don't have it yet, so it's not in here. 788 plus 756 plus 668 plus 1,811 is what I'm at today. 1,811. 5,575 bucks. 74. 5,574 times 0.9. Over $5,000 in payouts from this one live account. I had one red day too. One red day. Look at that shit. Oh my God. Not bad. Look at this shit fucking. Oh my God. I wish. I wanted to go short here. You fuck. Just ain't right. What's good? Mwah. Thank you. Wandering Woods. It pays for some accounts. TTA, how's Tori? She's doing great. She's locked in my basement. She's locked in my basement. It's so crazy. Does that make my accomplishment of being fucking profitable any less impressive? I don't get it. It's a weird question. There's plenty of people who post all their shit and they brag about it. Yeah, I don't even really deadlift anymore. Honestly, I don't really deadlift anymore. For me personally, I just don't. I mean, I can, I just don't. I was doing fucking ass to grass barbell squats yesterday though. TTA, I don't know. But I remember when Paytech posted that shit, everybody was on its fucking cock. Let me find that shit because it was fucking funny. Is this that cocksucker? Where is it? I'm trying to find it. Everybody was like, oh, please. Oh, fucking, please. All right, I spent enough time. I wasted enough time on this fucking guy. Yeah, I replied to it. Making fun of everybody who was fucking glazing on him. No, I didn't do 35K on a Lucid Live, Dimitri. I did 5K on a Lucid Live. I did about 35K on Lucid Sim funded before I got pushed live. What a drop. 33 from what? 90, almost 60 points. Yeah, I'll wake up and my back is fucking bothering me and shit. GCTA. Are you talking? Are you talking about? Are you talking about the ass hat, Supreme ass hat? M Brown, what up? Oh, that's MB. What up? What up? Yeah. So I mean, if you do the math total, Dimitri, it's 40K total. I liked it here. I liked it here. I didn't fucking act. So now, cool. Orders are in, but it's probably bouncing here because I wanna get filled down here. Cool. Yeah, GCTA, of course. Yeah, that's why like if you get pushed live, you got to take it serious. You blow a live account enough times, and it's gonna they're not gonna want you. They're not gonna let you fuck with them anymore. Leaders, what up? I mean, I'm at fucking $5,016 from my Lucid Live, and I got 2,000 and 2,500. So what is that? 4,050. This is what I'm at for the month so far. So not bad. Could have been so much fucking more, but whatever. It is what it is. I'll take this. Another problem. I mean, I'm profitable as fuck for another month. Come on. It's all right, Dimitri. Negative overall, but as long as you're moving, you're closing the gap. That's what matters most. Ian Connor, what up? What Ocala fucking blue funded accounts and got kicked from whatever firm he was trading with? Live accounts. Yeah, eventually you do it enough times. They don't want you fuck that. You know what I mean? Some people will fuck their live accounts up on purpose so they could go back to sim and fucking max out, get max allocation and all this shit. I don't know. I'll take profit trader. Yeah, and then he'll put and like I'm not saying he's a bad guy. He seems cool, but then they'll post it on tape. They'll post it on Twitter. They'll post what happened on Twitter and then act like nothing wrong and be like, oh, it's their fault. They're assholes for this, and then everybody gangs up on the firm. I see that shit all the time. I don't know specifically with him, but I've seen that type of shit. Yes, look, this shit just kept fucking dropping. Oh, great. Let's see if this holds here or not. Yeah, the take profit trader. Yeah, take profit trader. Those are nice. I would love to be live with take profit trader, but in the meantime, I'm gonna see if I could fucking milk those fucking sim funded's where it's at. Almost everywhere, everywhere. Gian Rich, what up? Yeah, he just keeps it moving. Yeah, he knows the game. He knows the game. Yeah, Alfred. Yep. I see that all the time, all the fucking time. Because then it'll get posted in the Discord like, oh, look what they did. Look what Apex did to this person. You know? I'm sure that same person that Apex is suing fucking cried boo when they got kicked off of Apex. You know? Yeah. This shit. This is how it's been for me trading evals. Can't trade evals for shit today, except for this one. It's all right. I'm taking more money. I'm getting paid. I haven't requested it yet because I'm master debating if I should fucking get in for one more trade with my live account. Probably not a good idea. Just one more trade, guys. Just one more trade. Right? Titus. Good. How about yourself? Don't worry, it will come right before my take profit and not take me out. We all fucking know. We all fucking know that's been the whole day today. I should have went long in my fucking live account. 7. I would have loved 15, 16 points. Look, see? You see, guys? Yeah, I've so many times, bro. So many times bullish. You know what's funny? Watch. I'm going to request right now. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. Fuck! Hold on. Why did I get... I've been refreshing that page all fucking day. How did I get fucking logged out? All right. Hold on a sec, though. What's going on here? Look, see? How many? Less than 4 points away from my take profit. Less than 4. What did I tell you guys? Less than 4 points from my take profit. Fucking scumbag. Fucking piece of shit. Anyway, let's fucking get money. Request payout. $1,811. Thank you. Come again. I'll get $1,629. Thank you. Come again. Thank you. Come again. I need that for later. Well, I need it for right now. Review my phone number. Yeah, that's my number. Fuck, man. Decided to be a greedy pig and get some more. And got it. Then requested. 5K net total so far from this Lucid Live. Day trading. Oh, what's going on here? Did I get fucked? Of course. Why would it go up? Why wouldn't it go up? Like I said, I trade evals for like shit today. All day. Can't trade evals for shit. Anyway, let me just do this because this is better. This is fun, more funner. More funner. Anyway. Got it. You love to see it. We just had a payout party. But the crazy thing is I could keep trading this shit, which is something you don't want to do. Not now. Although I've been doing that. I'm not going to touch this shit. Let me make sure I don't have any open orders. What goes down must go up. Casa Lisk. No, this account's going to blow. And then as soon as this blows, it's going to go up. I already fucking know. And I don't even care. You know why? Because I just got an $1,811 payout. I'm still waiting on 700 or 600. What is it? Hold on. I'm still waiting on fucking. What did I get yesterday? $667 to get dropped into my bank account. It's been a good week. I got paid every fucking day. What did I do this week? 2,500, 67. Well, 2,250 plus 709. Fuck. Plus 67 plus 1,629. This is net $5,255 so far this week. Not bad. Not fucking bad. Elevated Life, what up? Yeah, cool down. Investors. I was literally fucking 4 points from my take profit. Don't worry. We'll get fucked here somehow. I'll get fucked here somehow. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's not going to hit my take profit, guys. Yo, investors. I am Aquaman. You got paid by I am Aquaman Futures. Good shit, bro. Another one. What did I tell you guys? What did I fucking say? What did I fucking say? Couldn't just fucking come up to my take profit a little bit more. You're joking, right? I am Aquaman Futures. I am Aquaman. Amazing. Remember, I called this shit. I said, watch me get fucked. Both times. That's been the story of my fucking day with evaluations for whatever reason. These aren't cheap. Let it blow. I don't even fucking care. I'll just buy another one. I'll just buy more. Hope that, hey, anybody want to fucking cry about it? Anybody want to fucking cry? Because I want to buy more fucking accounts? I love saying that shit. I hope it fucking triggered somebody. I hope it triggered somebody. It's so crazy. It's crazy. Come on, can we do this before fucking 410? We do have earnings today, but I don't think it's anything. Let's see. You know you got to watch out for. You got to watch out for Nordson. That's Samson's son, cousin. I want to talk to Nordson. Vero, hello. How many fucking times? How many fucking times is it gonna? Oh my god! Just push to my take profit, you fucking piece of shit. Let's go. How hard can it be? Let's see how much closer it gets before it fucking dumps. How many points is that? Yo, two and a quarter points. 2 points and a tick. What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? Can't make this shit up. Push through, you cocksucker. Hey, we fucking did it, Joe. Hey, I'd like to thank Cody. I think that was Cody earnings, guys. Told you guys. Told you. Hey, we just had to sweat it out a little bit. I hope someone fucking had the faith and believed in the trade and follow me into it. Because now you could be banking. I just needed $900 to make them holla. Because, Desmond. Hey, anyone who followed me in that trade just banked, okay? We just banked together, guys. Anyone who followed me in that trade, guys, we all just made money. We all just made money together. Results not typical. Oh, my God. And if you were in my fucking paid Discord, you would have got the signal. You would have got the signal. Oh, HHMG. You guys would have got the signal. Bobby Lashley. Martin Correa. 600. Hey, nice, Dimitri. Cody said, hold my beer. It was Cody earnings for sure. Thanks, Cody. Hold on a sec. I got to hide my screen. I got to post in the Discord. You guys missed the signal. You missed the signal. Hey, guess what? I bought a fucking TradeDay account with my own money. They're 55% off, by the way. I will be grabbing some take profit trader accounts. I just put myself in a personal timeout after fucking embarrassing myself live. I did it for the stream, being over the buffer and then blowing the accounts. That's the part. That's what happens when you only have $1,500 of drawdown and you're trying to be a greedy pig. But I will grab them because Take Profit Trader right now is 50% off with no activation fee and 3 days to pass from now on. Any new account you buy now, in addition to being 50% off for the time being, is 3 days to pass. Guys. All right, guys. Man, I could have went long here and got fucking more. Damn, that shit popped fucking 50 points. Hope you guys followed me into that trade, guys. Anyway. JP. Yeah, Corey. Bobby. Oh my God, bro. Does that sound familiar? If you were in my paid Discord, you would have got the signal. Yeah, so what if I'm fucking red on every other account that you can't see? That one I'm green on. All right, I'll be right back. I'm going to take a nap with my roommate in my Puerto Rico house. Gonna play some tummy sticks. No, not ribs, but it could be. Steve J, what up? Yo, shout out to the minimum wage worker at the TSA in Puerto Rican airport for fucking up my $12,000 watch. Special shout out to them. No wonder why he's a minimum wage worker. Hippie, what up? The Hedge Bros. My shitty $12,000 watch. That's not a flex. Someone said he was getting his shit pushed in during Asia, so he hasn't streamed since. But I don't know. I don't pay attention to these motherfuckers. Make sure you know why? Because they're streaming in their paid Discord. That's the only way you can see them now. Paid Discord, guys. I gotta pee. All of this excitement is making me want to urinate. And I need more fucking coffee. Savvy. Oh, what about the watch? Fucking Lanto. Fucking jerk off. That just ain't right. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I don't know why he's not streaming. He doesn't need to. He's making so much money and saving on all his taxes. He's making so much money in Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. Oh, Puerto Rico. Oh. Oh, yeah. Another 100K day, but didn't do it live. Did it off stream. But then anyone who followed his fucking trade, anyone who followed his signal that he posted in the Discord probably fucking lost. Kevin! Don't worry. Had to be there, guys. You guys had to be there. I'm sure Lanto lost $100,000 today. It's just part of trading, guys. Martin Correa. Thank you. Thank you. It's a trap. We took one trade and won it today. I hope you guys followed me. I hope you guys followed me. Everybody would have just banked right now if you would have followed me in that trade, guys. You still waiting on that shit? Yo, they're making their rounds. They're going to get to you eventually. It's a trap. Use my code 0DayJ. Oh wait, you can't on that. But you can use it everywhere else. Tradeify for 40% off. Take Power Trader for 50% off. Trade Day for 55% off. Fucking Lucid for 40% off the dailies, 30% off everything else. Bulenox is like 45% off all those new plans. You could get Bulenox has plans just like every other firm now. My Fund the Futures, I don't even know what they're offering. 20%, 40%. I don't even know. It depends on the fucking account. I can't keep track. Raphael. Hey, Raphael. Did you bank with me in that trade, guys? We just made fucking bank. Oh my God. Savvy, big time douchebag. Big time douchebag. What are we doing now? Anything? Wait, what time? Hold on a sec, guys. What time is Virtuix earnings? What time is Virtuix? Did it happen yet? Unity. We got Unity earnings. You hear me? No. Oh, what are you doing? What's so funny? Why are you laughing? Oh. How fucking hard can it be, chat? Elevated life. Hey, chat. We're going to do a giveaway at the end of the day, okay? I'm not going to tell you exactly what time, but if you want a free account, stick around. Hey, guys. Guys, I got to pee. In case you just tune in, I just requested another $1,811 to make them holla. Fast track, without a doubt. What's funny is bulenox has an account they call a fast track account now. Just ain't right. Yeah, it's just like literally. Look at this shit. We had this little pop, drop, and then we stayed in the same. We just barcoded for the most part. That's the 15-minute chart. Here's the hourly. We just been, you know what? We've been flagging. Well, not really. I got to go to the daily. Well, yeah, we had this right here. We did flag. We broke out of it. This is the daily. But look, guys, this was the 786 I've been talking about. I've been talking about the 786 since we were approaching it on the daily chart. We are down. We went down as much as, let's see, 330. Let's just say 339. Shit. 940 points. 945 points from that 786 rejection on the daily. From the all-time high is the high anchor, and then the low anchor was this bounce off of this fucking zone over here. Bulenox does have a fast strike count. Well, you can't even do 11 anymore, Dimitri. You can only go up to 5. Fast track definitely tainted the prop firm space. That guy fucking fucked a lot of people over. But you would have banked, guys, if you followed me in that trade. Oh, man. Yeah. 400s. Bro. I had a fib drawn earlier in the day because we hit this. When I was trading off stream, we did bounce off the 618 twice. We just missed hitting it here, and then we hit it here. I was hoping that we came down more. Do I get in a trade now and then go pee? Is your tongue going down? When are we going to hit? When are we going to see? When are we going to see John B. Sanfilippo and Son Inc. earnings? Huh? When is that shit going to drop? I want to play those earnings. We're going to put an order right here, guys. All right? We're going to put orders here, 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 and here. I'll be right back. Well, we're going to go for a walk because I need to fucking pee and I want more coffee. So we're going to do all of that. Oh, of course it decides to bounce right there. I want it to go lower and fill me, guys. And then you can follow me in my trade, okay, guys? You follow me. Let's all make bank. Yeah, look at us back in the day. Can you see that? Back in the day. All right, hold on a sec. Let me go back on the screen. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. Oh my God, I almost got filled. Hey, Chad. How close is that? Three ticks away. 3 ticks from my order. That's how I do it every time. Oh, hey. Well, maybe I do. Maybe I'm gonna get filled on this.
I don't want to show my. Will they be able to see me by the oven?
Yes. Probably. Maybe.
Yeah.
I just showed them pictures of us on the shrine.
You showed the shrine?
Yep.
I hope they said 19.
Probably.
What do you mean probably?
I haven't seen the chat, but they probably said, wow, Jay, you must have said the right thing at the right time. That's the only thing I can think of. Oh, I'm going to get filled. Fill me. And then it's going to dump. Guys, if you follow me in this trade, we're going to bank together. Oh, my God. What's wrong with your... Did I really not get filled? Oh, my God. Guys, I hope you guys got filled.
Ew. Why are you calling me like
I literally miss getting filled by like a tick or two. Look at this thing pump. We could have banked. I'm just making fun of people. Oh, I get to follow you up the stairs? Fuck yeah. This shit is dead. Deader than dead. You see that? That 8.5 points off that bounce, guys. I hope you banked. Clinvale. Not green everywhere. What turned my trading around after 2 years? It wasn't after 2 years. It was an ongoing process from day one. It just took me a little over 2 years to get over break even and become profitable. But it wasn't like I wasn't getting payouts. It took me 7 months to get my first payout. Then I missed a month. That was in what, May 2024? May 2024, I got my first payout. Fucked myself out of a payout in June. And from July 2024 on, I have not missed a month in terms of payouts. Zoe, what's up? I just learned how the market moved. I learned how the market moved. I figured out certain things that I could see and execute on, you know? And I'm doing my best to fucking ignore the rest. Zoe. You know what I'm saying? And I got tired of sucking. Is that coffee on my fucking shirt? Fuck. Let's see. U.S. State Department spokesperson tells Al Jazeera Trump administration opens discussions on Syria's sovereignty and Israel's right to defend itself. Israel's right to defend itself. As if Syria was actually attacking themselves. They were attacking them. Israel, that's what they used. They'll just bomb everybody and be like, we have a right to defend ourselves. No one was even fucking attacking you. I'm fucking tired of hearing about this shit. I've been trading fibs longer than 6 months. I just went to those exclusively. PGI, I just went to them exclusively. What? I don't know exactly when. I've always looked at the fibs. But that's what I look. That's really all I look for now, more than anything. But hey, just because the fibs work for me doesn't mean it's going to work for someone else. Just like all the other strategies. I can't believe I didn't get filled here. But then again, I can because it's been happening to me all fucking day. I'm probably going to get filled now, and I'm going to be pissed that I do. But like more than just the fibs, like you start, and like you never know what's going to happen. But the market, the fucking way you get, you stare at the fucking charts enough. You stare at the NQ enough. You spend enough hours staring at the NQ or any fucking ES, gold, whatever. You're going to get familiar with how it moves. So you're going to fucking be able to act accordingly. You'll be able to make better decisions over time. Olivier, trade day, get out of the trade before 450. Before the clock strikes 450. Yeah, this shit is fucking whack. Oh, by the way, hey, Digital JC, Digital Nukes. You see, guys, if you guys aren't following me on Twitter, I post all my trades when I get in on Twitter. No, I don't. I'm just kidding. But I'm on there as 0day J. What's my fucking Twitter handle? Right here, guys. Follow me. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on X. I mean Twitter, guys. God damn it. 2 ticks away before. I lowered my order, but it was 2 ticks away. 2 ticks from getting filled. Whoops. Anyway, anywho, DS, did I do anything about my psychology? I don't know, bro. What do you think? I mean, I could tell you, no, I mean, I still fucking tilt and shit. I still get annoyed. I still get annoyed. Zoe, what's up? It's just you got to build up a tolerance to the bullshit. That's really what you got to do. The market's going to give you bullshit every day. And you're going to do dumb fuck shit. You just got to give yourself a little grace. You're not a robot. You're not perfect. You're just a human. We all fuck up. Just fuck up less, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? This is still on. Just try to fuck up less. Maximize the good decisions and minimize the bad decisions. I know, gold went fucking berserk, man. Too bad. 14, 15 points. If I was full ported there, guys, I would have got my $900 a day. Gold went absolutely fucking banana land. It's still going. It's still going up. Hold on a sec. Oh, I got two of these motherfuckers now. Let's bank together, guys. I don't know what's going to happen. This shit is whack. Listen, guys. Let's all fucking bank today. Oh, shit. I didn't know West Virginia got flooded the fuck out. Is that old? Oh, I see. That fucking sucks. TJP, what up? Twan on. Would I recommend copy trading? Cristo. Umar. I trade the fibs. I trade the fibs, man. And then I just look for fucking levels. But the fibs, Nomadic Canadian, thank you. I appreciate it. Great to see you on here. Twan on. I like copy trading within a prop firm's instance. I don't copy trade across multiple firms in one account. I might do that if I have multiple live accounts. Mikey. Yes, I have. But it's fucking exhausting. I have brought, what up, Michael Gianos? I have brought accounts back from that little bit of a drawdown. It's fucking annoying. I just did it with this trade. The fucking, look. Is this it? Yeah. So this Tradeify account, I got 3 payouts on it so far. But look, so I got my 5 days in, I got my first payout right here. Then the first day after I get a payout, I do $846. The next day, I lose $2,084. I had a little over $300 of drawdown left after I did that. And I was able to fucking get 1,000 back the first day after that fucking happened. I got 768, 689. I got it all back. Got 2 more payouts since. And today I'm out. What am I up in that account? $600? 610? I'm 3 days, 300. What did I need? I need 600. I'm 3 $150 days and $633 of profit or gains away from my 4th payout with the same account. This payout will be for $3,000. Yeah, TJP. I wonder if the money's starting to slide over. Like, I think the money might be rotating back into gold, which would be great because I might be holding some. May or may not be. It just keeps going. It literally just keeps going. Silver's not moving the same though. But it's silver is going up. Fuck me, man. 17 points up. I missed getting filled by 2 ticks on one of the accounts. Now I don't know what the fuck to do. Tuan on. My recommendation is if you want to try copy trading, just do it with a couple of accounts in like TradeAvate or some shit. Because it's a different psychology. Listen, it'll fuck with your head when you see 5 accounts red at the same time. Or 2 accounts red at the same time if you're not used to seeing that. Or if you're copy trading across multiple firms, bro, and you put them all 15 accounts together and you fuck up and all 15 accounts are fucking red by $500 each, you're going to fucking be stressing the fuck out. So just remember that. It's great when they're all green, but how are you going to handle when they're all red? And if you have a meltdown, right? If you have a meltdown, and I trade, bro, you get payouts and shit. But if you have a meltdown and you blow 20 accounts all at the same time, or even 3, if you're not used to doing it, it's going to fuck with you. Cristo Reno, who am I talking about, guys? How much am I up today? I don't know. I requested another $1,811. Arix. I requested $1,811 like 10 minutes ago. 20 minutes ago, half hour ago, right here. No, that's not it. I posted it right here. I did it for the stream. $1,811, $1,629 after fees. I did $1,811 in my Lucid Live, and I requested all of it because I'm over 2,100. As long as I just go down to 2,100 all the time. Even though I could go lower, I could request more. I could have requested all of this, but then I'd be done trading with them for a while. 40 times 5 accounts is not bad. Yeah. Alfred, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And maybe out of fucking Renee from John Jay. Fibs and levels, yeah, it helps. It helps. I'm not saying it's the end all be all, but it definitely helps. I'm glad it's working for you. Some people can't see it though. Some people can, some people can't. Just like people that fucking trade ICT. You know, some people can see breakers and other people can't. It does name the fucking strategy. Some of us can see it and some of us can't. Honestly, some of us can see it and most of us can't. That's how it usually is because trading's fucking hard. Chuck Boris Norris. I haven't in a while, bro. I might start again, but I don't know. I'm still fucking walking funny from trading options. Yeah, Desmond. Yeah, that's the other thing. You build up a tolerance for all of it. I just get annoyed. I'm just like, whatever. Yeah, the 707, man. You know what I noticed too, Chuck, about the 618 on a larger time frame? Like, you know how this fibs, like, let's just look at gold, even though, well, let's look at the NQ. You know how, like, there's the smaller time frame fibs. If there's a larger time frame fib, the most conservative level on a fib, a lot of times the 618 will get honored. Like, I'll show you an example. Where did I draw that shit? Here. So here's the low a day, right? Here's the low a day. We bounced, we pulled back, and yeah, there were a bunch of fibs that were happening. There were a bunch of fibs that were happening on the shorter time frame. Here's like a 786. Here's a fucking where what, like, if you look at like these levels, like if this was your anchored low from here, this was a nice bounce, like off the 707 or the 786. There was a bunch of that going on. But if you look at the larger time frame, the low day and this last high that we rejected off of, look where we fucking bounced, the 618 for a decent amount. It came all the way down to that on the larger time frame and honored it. Doesn't mean it's gonna, I mean, it doesn't mean it's not gonna go lower. It could, or it could fucking pump from there. I don't know. I don't know what these motherfuckers are gonna say. You want to stay in the department, you know, Syrian sovereignty, Israel's right to defend itself. Blah, blah, blah. U.S. total public debt outstanding exceeds record 40 trillion. Yeah. Trump on the bond market. Americans should not be concerned about volatility. It'll just cost us more money. Stealth operation. All this shit. It could go either way. But on the larger time frames, on like the largest time frame you could in a section, right? In a section of chart, the 618 gets hit a lot and bounces or rejects off of it. You'll notice that. That's what I've been noticing. JP. Exactly. No strategies. It's the one that you could see. Absolutely, Renee. From John J. Yeah. Yeah. And you've seen the orb, Nomad, bro. You've seen the orb so many times. You've seen it how many fucking times? So now you kind of know, like, all right, I don't know about this one, but there'll be other ones you're like, oh, for fucking sure. I used to trade the orb. I used to love trading the orb. But like, for me personally, there were so many times that we would be nowhere near the orb. Or like the time of day that I trade, the orb is nowhere to be found. So I just don't even look for it anymore. I have it on my chart still. I just don't even really pay attention all that much. I don't pay attention to a lot of shit. I used to have all these moving averages. You notice I don't have a single fucking moving average on my fucking trading view. This is what it used to look like when I did use them. Shit everywhere. I don't even fucking look at them here anymore. Remember all the moving averages I used to have on my fucking Tradeday? I used to have fucking shit all over the place. Now I just have the 5-minute 21 and the 34s and the VWAP. We just evolved. Like whatever, you know, it's just a matter of you got to put the time in. And you gotta fucking spend enough time testing a strategy before you give up on it. You need to get the data. And you could back test all you fucking want. People like to run back tests and say this strategy works 90% of the time. It worked, or whatever. Over the last 2 years, this strategy works 70% of the time. That's great. But are you going to be able to execute it and win 70% of the time? If you have some automated fucking trading bot fucking executing for you, that's a different story. But are you going to be around when the shit is ready to be traded? What if the only time you're around, your win rate's only 30 or 40%? You got to take everything with a grain of salt. Yo, bro, my 35th subscriber. That's crazy. TJP. Fallacy uses the blindfold strategy. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You know what? You know, when people like to shit on ICT, and I think a lot of it is because of how fucking cultish it became. But there's people that do really well with it. A very small percentage, just like every other fucking strategy. You know? We won the war. Gold is best with the 6185. Yeah, right now, maybe. I fucking miss trading gold. I actually traded gold today by mistake, but it worked out. Where was it? I thought I was in the NQ. Where did I go long? Where did I go long? Oh, it fucking pumped from there too. I think right here. Oh, look, it dropped. I got 30 ticks right here. I actually ended up getting fucking 32 ticks. I didn't need 32. I wanted 31. And then I lost a little money on purpose or whatever. Right here. You see, guys? And then we dropped. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, there's the midline right there from that one, from that low. Whoops. That would have been a spot I would have drawn it. That's a 618 from that low. And right there, from there, we bounced 309. Holy fuck, 500 ticks from there? Dude, that's nuts. Going into power hour, 500 ticks. Holy fuck. That's a fucking pop. We're up. What's the range on gold today? Well, forget about what we're up, but the range 45, 82, 43, 78. 204 points is the range. That's 2,000 ticks. Imagine getting in from the lower day and just riding that shit all the way up, guys. Nuts. Well, I guess I'm not trading anymore. I wanted to get filled on that long before in one of these trade day accounts, and I fucking missed getting filled by 2 ticks. And it proceeded to bounce 18 points. But it's just fucking dead now. Some shit's gonna happen in the next 5 minutes. But anyway, give me a number from 1 to 99 so we could see who wants to win a free account. We'll do a Lucid account. We'll do a Lucid account to celebrate me fucking doing $1,800 in my Lucid Live account. Another $1,800, which I requested. $1,811. I'm still waiting on 667 after fees from yesterday. It's not even in here. But I did fucking request it. I got the email, guys. Fucking banking on this account. There it is. 742, 667.80 after they take their 10% of my profits. They're actually getting money from me trading as opposed to just paying me 10% less, because of the profit split. The fees that they pay on SIM. They make you pay on SIM. I got fucking paid. That's my 4th day in a row getting paid on this Lucid Live. Boy, I took a payout. Here, 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 here. Well, here, and here. 6 days in a row. Well, 6 days out of my last 7. But 4 days in a row. It's fucking hot in here. Cajun, yeah. Does that mean all these prop firms are going to start fucking limiting how much you could trade gold with? Yeah, blackout news, bro. I wouldn't even fucking fuck with this shit right now. Oh, wow, that shit popped. I'm so glad I just missed getting filled by 2 ticks. Now it's up fucking 24 points. Fuck, man. I had the right idea, guys. I had the right idea. Hope somebody got filled and banked. Hope somebody was a little less conservative on their orders and got filled and banked based on my technical analysis for the stream. Yeah. Don't mind me, I'm just taking screenshots right now, chat. Hope you guys are banking. Had to be on my Discord live to see it. My paid Discord live, guys. That's where we bank. Why is Lucid Live so slow in paying out? Desmond, because they have to it's a brokerage account. It's my NinjaTrader account. So they have to withdraw it from the NinjaTrader account. So yeah, they have to request a withdrawal through NinjaTrader. Then it has to get deducted from the account, and then it has to hit their bank account. And then they pay me. It takes longer. It's not like you're trading on Sim and you're just getting the money from Lucid. So it does take a little longer. Which is fine. Vegas boiling? Yeah, it's pretty hot over here. It's still going. Fucking piece of shit, man. What did I say? Fucking 10 minutes to fucking close. The shit's up fucking 33 points. You see, guys, all you have to do is just get in the trade. Should have marketed in. I hope you did. Then you would have banked. Tyler, you would have banked. Tyler would have banked if you followed me in my trade. Look how much we're up from this fucking bounce here. The 618. 60 fucking points. It took a fucking hour, but we're there. Does it hit the fucking VWAP? Does it hit the VWAP before the market closes for the day? Does it want the fucking VWAP, huh? Tyler, we would have banked. We would have banked together. We'd be tummy sticking it. Give me a Michael Giannis. Give me a 1 if you took that trade, chat. Don't put numbers in now, though, other than what you want to fucking trade. Mike, stock cards and bets. You guys stop it. It's gonna. Oh my god. I mean, I would have had to have gotten out by now, but fuck. 25. It would have been 25 points from fucking where I literally missed getting filled by 2 ticks. Let's rewind the tape, guys. Let's rewind. We're gonna load up the stream and we're gonna fucking rewind the tape. I'll show you where my order was, and I just missed getting filled. Look, right there, just fucking missed by 2 ticks. At least, hey, I was right. I was right. You see, guys, I was right. Oh my god, it was the fucking VWAP, which is probably the 618 or the 707. Let's see. From the last high. This was, I don't even know what the fuck that was. That was during power hour. Oh, the 7, almost the 707, just before the 707. Guys. Fire Marshal Land. Let me tell you something. Some of you guys are too young for that. What a fucking move. What a fucking move, guys. I miss getting filled by 2 fucking ticks. Story of my fucking day, too. It took a bunch of cuck before it finally fucking popped here. 40 points. 40 points. That's what I call high quality H2O. Kevin Tobias, always. There's the VWAP, guys. You see, guys, there's the 707. We're just right before the 707. Amazing. What a move. Hope you guys banked. Hope you guys banked. I just gave you guys a 43-point trade. Just free on the house. That was on the house, guys. That's the second banger I gave you guys today. Unfortunately, I missed getting filled by 2 ticks, and then I gave up on it. Didn't want to mark it in. I got you, Kevin. 3-2. So what we're gonna do is gonna be it's gonna be. I like giving away those $50 Lucid accounts, the $50 Flex accounts. $50 to make them holla. It's the 25K Flex with the daily loss limit. This one. So I could give away more than one. I'll give away 2. With the daily loss limit. $50 to make them holla. You got to grab the account with my code 0DayJ. Send me a copy of receipt, and then I pay you back via Zelle, Cash App, or fucking PayPal. If you don't have any of those 3 or Venmo, then don't participate. Because that's the only way I can pay you back. No crypto. Sean, what up? Let's do it until you win. Simplistic, what's up? I'm doing great. I'm doing fucking fantastic. All right. Thanks for asking. Hope you're doing well. Yeah. Hey, they got to do what they got to do. That's still bro. Getting max allocation on those $50 accounts. Who cares about the daily loss limit? It'll probably save you from blowing the account. It'll definitely save you. But fuck, man. You could get a max payout on those is $1,000. You could be getting $5,000 every 5 days from accounts that cost you $250. You know, theoretically. 3, 2, 1, good luck. 57. Who had 57? Anybody? Anybody? Full tilt. You're funny, bruh. Amazing. What a move. Three, two, one. Good luck. 81. How could nobody have 81? How can nobody have host's number? Unbelievable. Three, two, one. Good luck. 64. Please, somebody have it. Visible ID. Congratulations. We got a winner. Let's see if anybody else has that number. Elevated Life. Hey, here we go. Here we go. Congratulations to Visible ID and Elevated Life. Visible ID, Elevated Life. So here's what you need to do. You need to join the best community on these platform streets if you're not in there already. And then hit me up. Send me a DM. Grab the account. Grab the account from Lucid. Use my code, please. The best fucking code, 0DayJ. Here's the link to the Discord. Anybody else want to hang out in there with the best fucking community, you're more than welcome to. Yeah. It's free for now. Grab the account, use my code, send me a screenshot, DM me a screenshot of your proof of payment, and then your Zelle, Cash App, or PayPal, and I'll pay you back. Very simple. All right? Congratulations to Visible ID and Elevated Life, and thank you to everyone who participated and hung out on the stream. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte on your way out, please. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. And hopefully I'll see you then. If not, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.